Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Copilot in Microsoft 365 for automated tasks, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your Microsoft 365 application on your device. Ensure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. Navigate to the top right corner of the application. Look for the settings icon, which resembles a gear. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. In the Settings menu, find and select Copilot. If prompted, enable the Copilot feature. Once enabled, close the Settings menu. To start using Copilot, return to your main workspace. Look for the Copilot icon, usually located in the toolbar. Click on the Copilot icon to activate its functionalities. You may see a prompt explaining what Copilot can assist you with. Take a moment to read through these instructions. Now initiate a task you want assistance with. For example, if you're in Word, you could ask Copilot to summarize text. Type your request in the Copilot dialog box that appears. Press Enter to submit your request. Wait a moment for Copilot to process your request. Review the output provided by Copilot. Make any adjustments or follow-up requests as needed. Feel free to explore various commands and tasks with Copilot. Remember, Copilot learns and improves with your interactions. Continue using Copilot to enhance your productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.